sparkles of light. Welcome to my channel. Today we are going to be unboxing, trying, and reviewing this month's IPSY Glam Box. So stick around. Sparkles of light. So how are you guys today? Are you having a good week? I want to know. Mine's going great because I just got my glam box. Excited. Let's get into this box. Also, I got some add-ons that you can add on. I'm so excited. Comes in this cute little pink box here. It's to you, from you. You can see that. You open it up. Discover yourself. I love that. Goodies. So the first thing, let's see. I'm gonna find the bag that came. It's a beautiful metallic purple. So pretty. Feels like a fake leather. Feels really nice. Super cute purple inside. Look how cute. Did get a foundation this month. It's from Wander Beauty. The light's really bright. Wander Beauty. This is the color Tan, which it seems like when I looked on my app it said medium. So it looks like it's a soft pink and orange in here, and the names are here. Alfeda, Dauphine, Australia. Like that. Murad Environmental Shield Essential C Daily Moisturizing. This is a moisturizer. Brightens and helps shield skin from environmental aggressors. I love trying beauty products. I love unboxing new beauty products and trying them out for you guys together with me so we can see how they are. And if you're interested in them, just giving you that insight. So this was one of the add-ons I picked, I believe. Super Glazed Lip Cream, half caked. Look at it, that's so cute. So I am currently like losing sunlight here, have a window here. So this is a Korean product, Seoul Velvet Lipstick. Was this an add-on? That was not an add-on, that was already in there. This is the Inkliner in black. This, do you know what this is? You don't know yet. I am so excited. This, okay, I'm gonna need it. Okay, let me see. Probably heard about this. Rose Quartz Facial Massager. How does this open? Let's get in here. Look how, oh, look how cute that comes. Look at that. There's some weight to this. I don't know if you guys have seen these. This is the face massager, and it's supposed to help with like, oh my god. Oh yeah, we're just gonna review this right now. This one gets 5 stars. If you guys want to feel the greatest thing on earth, let's get you other side. Let's be fair now. Get the other side here. Oh my, I got makeup all over. This you would do with a moisturizer on your face. No makeup, clean face, but I had to try this out. This isn't, also seems like it'd be an easy clean. Like you would just put some mild type of face cleanser I'm gonna probably clean it with and just get that cleaned up. So that is nice. I'm excited. Let's get you back in there. All nice and cozy. Okay. These next 3 things I got were add-ons. That's the other things in here. I'm just gonna go through these quickly so we can keep this video short and sweet. Water Flash Coconut Water Cream. I wanted to try this out for my skin. DMX 255 brush. Highlighter brush that I added on here. Soft. I think it's gonna go on really nice. The handle feels nice. This R&L is the name of the brand here. Lightweight too, so it seems like you'll be able to glide that on good. A powder brush, super cute. Comes in a little, oh, so satisfying, right? Wasn't that? This reminds me of a gorgeous unicorn. The colors are like the ombre blue and purple, and it says the Beauty Crop. It has a cute little pineapple there. Put this to the side. The brushes I may try in another video. Looks like my camera just got crooked. Did I just get crooked? This was the moisturizer by Murad. This is their full size shape of it. We'll give this a try out. I will get back with you guys and let you know how this was. I don't know why I'm doing my tone like that, but I think I'm just like kind of tired and I'm just trying to keep my energy up, you know? What should we get into first? It is from Ofra Cosmetics. This was me ordering it. You get a special discount from like other products that are online. So gives you like a discount of like all the products they offer. Forgot with this one. Thank you from Ofra Hello Beauty, a cute little card in here. Oh, they sent a little gift, Rays of Light primer. And I'm freaking out of a primer right now. It's cute, so I'll get to try this out and see how I like it. So this is a long-lasting liquid lipstick I got. Long-lasting liquid lipstick. So pretty. This is the color Hollywood. Look how pretty that is. It's like a pretty pink. I thought it'd be great for spring. From Glam and Glow. I believe it's a setting spray. So I'm excited to try the setting spray. So right now I currently don't have on any eyeliner or setting spray or blush because I want to try these products for you guys. Try them together. Let's see how we like it. Hello, sexy. Ooh, look at that. You open this up. It says, hello, sexy. Thank you. How do you know I'm sexy or not? You been watching? Okay, so it looks like a cute little bottle here. We'll try this out. See how this smells, how it mists, all that good stuff. So, I'm gonna scoot you guys in just a bit. We're gonna try this liner out. Where is it? All right, so now that I've got you in a bit closer, we're chilling. We're gonna try on some liner. Let's see. Okay, let's see what kind of tip this has here. You see, nice sharp point. Ooh, get my mirror. You gotta be kidding me. Round two. Gives you like a nice, clean, precise look, right? I like that. Glided on really nice. Let's see. Is that even? So this one is not for a beginner. It does go on really good. The thing is, it dries so fast. I had some issues I had to redo right here. It was just, the point was great, but I don't know, how does it look? Does it look pretty good? I love the pigmentation in it a lot. Like, it's so pigmented, it's a very nice matte look. I mean, it's working, right? But this is not for a beginner, I will say that. So if you're a beginner, this tip here might be a little hard for you to work with because it dries really fast. Okay? Okay, let's move on. See what this baby looks like. That's here. Nice, it comes all plastic and packaged for you. The mirror is protected, the blush is protected. Very nice. I'm gonna just come in with a little bit of the pink, the Ascalia, and the Dauphine. Since I have a little bit of an orangey look today, I'm gonna just mix these two peachy and orangish colors here. It's a lot of fallout. You can see that. So we're just gonna do a little mix and see how this goes. This is really pretty. I love doing a little blushy nose because it's so cute. Just adds a little bit here to my look. Dust off any extra. I'm just pulling that a little down. See? I like it. I'm giving this blush a very good rating. Let's close that now. Besides that, it's a really pretty color. So we're gonna try out these 3 different lips here. Which one's first? Let's go with the Seoul Velvet Lipstick. I'm curious. This is the Touch of Seoul. See this color.
So cute.
It's cute. Oh, it feels creamy. What do you guys think? Think this could work, huh? Oh my god, it feels really good on. Get a little close up. You can kind of see. This color is really pretty. I can work with this. I like it. Let's move on to the next color. So I went ahead and foundationed my lips so I can have a nice base to start with for this next color. Look at that. Almost looks a little purplish. Here's that. Let's see what kind of... Something almost like strawberries. Very nice and like sheer. I'm gonna go just a little bit more for the top. It's very pretty. It's very like sheer, very pink. You can go with like any eye look. I feel like that's a little on like the pink side, the purple side. It even doesn't look bad with this orange look that I have going on, right? All right, let's move on to the next color, even though I don't want to take this one off. Let's go. Next lip base set for the last color. This long-lasting lipstick. I want to do this one just in case it like stained. You know, I had to do this one last. See how this looks. Okay, this one's shorter and it has like the little angle on it. Looks like a really bright pink. You can see. It feels like you can layer on to be like more sheer, more pigmented. It looks like it's a nice velvety finish. It doesn't feel dry at all. Looks pretty with my nails here.
Pink look.
I'm just gonna keep this one on. I wanna just kind of see how it feels. I'm going to do the foundation swatch test. So let's get this open. They picked tan. So I'm going to try this on. Oh, surprise, surprise. Oh, doesn't smell strong, so that's a good sign. So we're just gonna swatch this. Where should we swatch the little patch test and see how it blends in with what I have on already? Yeah, let's just go here. Whoa. That's light. What's going on, IPSY? This can be a concealer maybe. Let's just see. Holy moly. That, I am not that light. What? Can you imagine if I did like a full face with this? So the good thing is the formula feels nice, but good God. Actually feels good. Trying to blend this in, right? This is wild. That's a light color. Right, I went ahead and put on my favorite one, the Half Caked. Wins the award for today, especially with the look that I have going on right now. It's like, it works, right? So here's the Glam and Glow Glow Setter. Let's test this out. Oh, it smells good. I just want to spray more because smells so good, you guys. I think it looks great. I think it looks really good. My face looks like it's glowing now. I think this is great. Yes, yes, I can use this. We have the Glam Glow. I love these products so far. Like the scrub I got from Glam Glow and this setting spray. Love it. All right, you guys, so we have reached the end of the video. I have reviewed everything now. If you enjoyed watching me review the IPSY Glam bag, give my video a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel if you want to see more content from me or unboxing things, because I absolutely love unboxing things and sharing with you guys, giving you guys a first-hand review. So yeah, thanks for watching. Stay meditative. I will see you soon. Bye. Welcome to my channel. How are you today? Oh. Ooh. Ooh.